The Municipality of Anilao in the 4th District of Iloilo in Western Visayas or Region 6 is composed of 21 barangays. Its area is about 100.31 kilometers squared or 38.73 square miles. During the 2020 census, the total number of people living in Anilao is about 30,520. The number of households is 7,650. For its economy, it's a fourth municipal income class. The revenue in 2020 is about 118.7 million. The assets also in 2020 is about 313.2 million. 93.79 million is the expenditure in 2020 and the liabilities is about 91.41 million. The zip code is 5009. The Municipality of Anilao is politically subdivided into 21 barangays. Each barangay consists of puroks and some have sitios. The following are the 21 barangays comprising the Municipality of Anilao: Barangay Agbatuan, Barangay Badyang, Barangay Balabag, Barangay Balunos, Barangay Cagaan, Barangay Camiros, Barangay Sambag Kulob, Barangay Dangulaan, Barangay Gipis, Barangay Manganis, Barangay Medina, Barangay Mostro, Barangay Palaypay, Barangay Pantalan, Poblacion, Barangay San Carlos, Barangay San Juan Crisostomo, Barangay Santa Rita, Barangay Santo Rosario, Barangay Serrallo, and Barangay Vista Alegre. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.